That's all good, man. What you running here, man?
8 Avatar STU 12s on 4 Unreal 3600s strapped together.
Oh, betcha.
My window just came
Yeah,
out.
it did. It came on track.
Oh,
I sure appreciate it, man. You on social media, no one that can follow you?
I don't remember the handle, to be honest. Oh, wait, I do. Instagram is going to be Jesse, which is JESSE_Ty_high.
Okay. I'm gonna try to tag it down below in the video. Good seeing you, brother. Thank you, man. I appreciate you.